Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we will teach you how to make a river resin table. So first of all we will place the woods in the mold. After that we will take pigment of 3-4 color as according to our designs. Now we will put this sand color near the wood. As we are making this one a river table, so we will select the color according to a river. So sand color is selected and we are pouring it near the wood. After spreading it, we will take aqua green color and we will spread it after pouring the dark color nearby it. After putting the resin and hardener mixing, we will mix the color in the cups, and after pouring it, we will spread step by step. So friends, don't skip the video, otherwise you will miss the step and you will be not able to learn the beautiful resin art table. So watch every step of the table. After that you can make this table at your home. So after spreading the aqua resin color, now we will be mixing dark color also and we will be spreading as per requirement. So friends, if you want to see some more videos regarding resin, as you all know, we are making resin tables. I got some comments that sir, we are from not from India, we want video in English so they can understand. So we are making this video for those people who are from south or from outside India who are not able to understand Hindi. So we are making this video of resin art tutorial river table in English. So you can watch the video and can learn the full process how to make this beautiful table. So after spreading these colors, now we will be mixing some more colors and adding the texture of ocean theme to the table. We will take some stones, greenery and fishes, boat and many another thing like that we will put in the table. Now we have mixed the dark color, we are spreading it in the table in the remaining area. Friends, use gloves and mask while you are making use of the resin. I am using a butane torch to brush the bubbles which come in resin. The size of the table is 3 feet by 2 feet. One of the participant come to us workshop to make this river table. So friends, if you are also interested to join our workshop, you can just DM me, we will revert you. Our WhatsApp number is mentioned below. So after spreading the dark blue color outside, we will put the aqua color in the wood portion also. As you are seeing, we are putting the aqua color in the wood portion and we are spreading the dark color also outside area. Okay, so friend, we are using 2:1 resin. 1 proportion is hardener, 3 proportion is resin. While making the resin epoxy dining table center table, make sure that with the safety and proper knowledge how to use the resin, pigments, wood. The wood we are using are season wood. We have to use the season wood. As you are seeing the grains of the wood, these are beautiful and natural. After using the butane torch to brush the micro bubbles in the table, we will make waves and 3D effect of ocean in the table. So continue the video, don't skip the video, otherwise a step will be missed and you will be unable to understand what all the steps are used. So after this process we will be making a finishing work of the corners of the table, and we are putting sand and stone near the wood, so it will indicate a river theme of the table. After putting the sand, now we will add some moss, artificially greenery, which will indicate as a greenery, and we are making waves now. So for making waves we will take transparent resin and hardener mixed solution. We are spreading the transparent resin. After spreading the resin, we will take white pigment mix with resin and make a line around the sand. After doing this process, we will start making the waves. So you watch full video so understand how to make a river table, resin river table. So after spreading the white color on the both the side of the wood, it will indicate as how we can make waves, ocean art waves, resin art waves. So here we go. Now you are able to see the cells effect we are making in the waves. So like this we are using a heat gun. We have spreaded the transparent resin, and we take white resin and spread wisely. See how good it look like now. So using this method we can make waves in a ocean theme resin table. We are making it all the around the wood, spreading it using the heat gun, and the cells effect coming out very nicely. So this is the right method to make the waves. So if you want to see more videos regarding resin art, just comment us on which topic you are interested to see the videos and techniques. If you have some personal question regarding the joining of the workshop in India, you can just DM me. Workshop are provided online and offline both the way. So DM us in the WhatsApp number we have given in the description. So after making the waves outside area, now we are making waves in a narrow area also. We have spreaded the white color, white lacing pigment, and after spreading the pigment we will now use heat gun to make the cells effect, which indicates the ocean waves in your table with a very good cells effect. You will able to see now we are using artificially greenery moss to indicate as plants and greenery. We have used seppies and chunks in the table. After using this we are using some miniature of ocean like boat, stones, pebble stones we are using, and many more things you will see in this video. We have used this boat, sleepers, uh, so some visitor have put it there. After this process we will make some more creativity in this. We will put one chair, beach chair nearby it, and as the table get final look na, we have put one fish also. Final look will be very good. So visit our store also to see the table how we may make it. You can join our workshop. We are providing 3-4 days workshop across the India, in Delhi, Jaipur, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune. So you can just DM us to make such creative products. Till the time enjoy the video. Now we have leave it for pouring the bucket of resin. Now we are using 3:1 resin in the table of 8 liter quantity. After putting this resin, we have to wait for 24 hours to get cure the resin. As you see, the quality of the resin we are using is transparent, it's crystal clear. You will be easily visible each and every product in the table. They are very clear. All the art pieces you have made are visible. We are pouring the resin till the level of the wood. After doing this process, we will leave it for 24 hours. So friends, after 24 hours, in the next video, we will be demolding the table. We will be sanding, buffing and polishing the table. So subscribe our channel to see the last view, final look of this table in our next upcoming video, and to see the mold making process also of this video. We have uploaded the video earlier, so you can just scroll down in our YouTube channel and can subscribe us, watch us and learn